What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. I got my sparkling water or club soda. It's called Crest with some lemon. Cut some lemon in there. I don't drink pop, so that's my replacement. We're sitting at 0.01397, down 3.4 on the day. See market cap of 339 million. I think there's a good chance we're going to put in a lower low. 24-hour volume, 36 million. Excuse me, how rude. Okay, let's hop into the charts. If you get any value out of this video, make sure to smash the like button. So I think this 1-2 is unlikely. Right now we're testing the 78.6. There is the FOMC announcement today, so that could cause volatility, but I do think it's likely that we're going to put in a lower low. So I'm going to show you guys what that would look like. We're just going to remove this for now. I'll bring it back. So what I think is likely is we retested that bear flag and we got rejected. So I think there's a good chance that we're going to come down in a wave 5. So I think it's likely that this is the 3 right here. That was a wave 4 pullback, and now we're going to come down in a 5. So I'll give you a target for that. Trend base to extension from the top of 2 to the bottom of 3 to the top of 4. And you would target the 618, which is coming in. Let me grab a price target so it's easily visible for you guys. We're going to take this confirmation out so it's not distracting. 0.0118. So you can see we're breaking down from this bear flag. We consolidate again. We retested this bear flag. So if we come down and break this low at 0.01362, then I think it's likely you're going to come down to about 0.01180. If we look at our next chart, it lines up with the support of our falling wedge, 0.01165. So if we trickle down, let me pull this out. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. I think that's really important. Make sure to stay fit and eat healthy. So if we come down to that wedge, yeah, that would actually bring us under 1 cent. It's very possible because the support is like a magnet for the price. That would bring you down to 0.00989. So just watch for that, because if Bitcoin pulls back, then Gala is going to pull back as well. And we'll have to see with the FOMC if it causes volatility. But pullback does look more likely, in my opinion, for BTC, and that will take Gala down with it. So the target is the 618 at 0.01180, but we can go deeper. The 78.6 is 0.01091, and the one extension is 0.0097, which lines up with the support of this wedge. I do think that's likely, and then eventually we do end up seeing that bounce. We break out of this falling wedge. That's where we look to take a long trade to ride it all the way back up. Yes, it's a little bit depressing right now for Gala Games, but they have massive things going on, especially in Gala Films right now. It looks like they have a partnership with Jason Momoa, which is obviously an absolutely beastly, amazing actor, very attractive man. The ladies love him, so that could be really good for that could be really good for Gala Games going forward. Definitely worth looking into. Still one of my favorite projects in the metaverse space. And yeah, I think that it's likely we do end up creating that lower low. But anything can happen. If we were to get a large bounce, we start to break that wave 4 high at 0.01509. Then we can flip bullish. I think it's a bit of the less likely scenario, but there's always tends to be volatility going into FOMCs. 4-hour chart, if we do create lower low, we may continue to create a bullish divergence. So keep an eye on that as well. Once the signal is given once the trade is taken, a signal will be given in the Discord for only $10 a month. If you want a 14-day free trial, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders dying for an exchange to trade futures and spot. My subscribers only 20% bonus on the deposit in your futures account. $100, you get $20. $1,000, you're gonna get you can get $200 for free, and you get the 14-day free trial. Otherwise, sign up to the Patreon, only 10 USD per month. You get daily analysis for many crypto coins, crypto trades, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals and analysis. We're in trades for gold and silver. So when we're not trading crypto, we're trading Forex. Sometimes we're trading both at the same time. Always money to be made in the markets. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.